Welcome to BeyondNexa. Discover more, know beyond.
Welcome back to BeyondNexa, where science meets mystery and every discovery leads to another unanswered question. Today, we're diving beneath the waves in search of one of history's greatest legends, a place that has inspired explorers, philosophers, and scientists for more than 2,000 years. Atlantis, a civilization said to possess extraordinary knowledge, immense wealth, and unmatched power before disappearing beneath the sea in a single catastrophic event. But was Atlantis ever real? Or has humanity been chasing nothing more than an unforgettable story? The mystery begins in ancient Greece. Around 360 BC, the philosopher Plato described an island civilization located beyond the Pillars of Hercules, known today as the Strait of Gibraltar. According to his writings, Atlantis was home to magnificent architecture, advanced engineering, enormous harbors, and a powerful navy capable of dominating neighboring kingdoms. Its people were described as prosperous, intelligent, and technologically impressive for their time. Massive canals connected the city, temples were decorated with precious metals, and fertile plains produced abundant food. It seemed almost like a paradise. Yet Plato claimed that this extraordinary civilization became corrupted by greed and power. In a single day and night of earthquakes and floods, Atlantis vanished beneath the ocean forever. For centuries, most scholars believe this was simply a moral story created to illustrate the dangers of arrogance. But others wondered whether Plato's account contained fragments of real history passed down through generations. As civilizations rose and fell across the Mediterranean, stories of lost kingdoms appeared again and again. Ancient floods, volcanic eruptions, and entire coastal cities disappearing beneath the sea became part of human memory. Could Atlantis have been inspired by one of these forgotten disasters? Or is there something much larger still waiting to be discovered beneath the oceans? Modern technology has revealed more of Earth's surface than ever before, yet surprisingly, over 80% of the ocean floor remains unexplored. Every year, new underwater ruins, submerged landscapes, and mysterious geological formations are discovered. Some resemble ancient walls. Others appear almost perfectly symmetrical. Most have natural explanations. Some continue to raise difficult questions. And that's exactly where our journey begins. Because before searching for Atlantis itself, we first need to understand why this legend has survived for over 2,000 years while countless other ancient stories faded into history. A breathtaking aerial view of the ancient Minoan island of Thera before the eruption, white stone buildings with blue accents overlooking a sparkling Aegean Sea, thriving ports filled with merchant ships, lush green hills, warm Mediterranean sunlight, ultra-realistic, photorealistic, cinematic documentary, BBC Earth, National Geographic, Netflix documentary, 8K, HDR, volumetric lighting, ultra-detailed, realistic colors, no text, no logo, no watermark. Bustling streets of the Minoan civilization, merchants trading pottery and precious goods, artisans crafting bronze tools, elegant architecture, citizens enjoying daily life, cinematic historical reconstruction, ultra-realistic. An enormous palace inspired by Knossos with colorful frescoes, towering columns, intricate staircases, and royal chambers illuminated by warm sunlight. Highly detailed archaeological reconstruction. Ancient sailors navigating sophisticated wooden ships across the calm Mediterranean Sea, transporting valuable cargo between prosperous civilizations. Dramatic cinematic perspective, photorealistic. A wide panoramic shot of the volcanic island of Santorini moments before disaster. Gentle smoke rising from the volcano while unaware citizens continue their daily routines. Peaceful atmosphere with subtle tension. A violent volcanic eruption exploding into the sky. Massive columns of ash, rivers of lava, fiery debris raining across the island. One of history's most catastrophic natural disasters. Cinematic realism. 8K HDR. A gigantic tsunami racing across the Mediterranean, colossal waves swallowing fleets of ancient ships while dark storm clouds cover the sky. Epic cinematic disaster scene. Ultra-realistic. The magnificent Minoan city collapsing beneath earthquakes and waves. Temples breaking apart, harbors flooding, terrified citizens escaping as the sea consumes the coastline. dramatic documentary style. Centuries later, divers exploring beautifully preserved underwater ruins covered with coral and marine life. Ancient stone walls emerging from crystal-clear blue water, mysterious atmosphere, photorealistic. Modern archaeologists carefully excavating ancient pottery and stone artifacts near Santorini, scientific equipment surrounding the excavation site, realistic documentary scene. A cinematic reconstruction of Plato comparing stories from older civilizations while studying ancient scrolls inside a grand marble library, soft candlelight illuminating historical manuscripts. An aerial cinematic shot over the crystal-clear waters of Bimini in the Bahamas, revealing the mysterious underwater stone formation known as the Bimini Road beneath the surface, stunning tropical lighting. Scuba divers carefully examining the massive rectangular underwater stones of Bimini Road, measuring and photographing the formations while rays of sunlight penetrate the water, ultra-realistic. Marine geologists collecting underwater rock samples near Bimini, advanced scientific instruments documenting the site, emphasizing careful research instead of speculation, cinematic realism. A sophisticated research vessel using advanced multi-beam sonar to scan the deep Atlantic Ocean, colorful bathymetric maps appearing on high-tech computer displays inside the control room, photorealistic documentary. A stunning 3D visualization of the Atlantic seafloor generated by sonar mapping, revealing underwater mountains, trenches, and mysterious geometric patterns hidden beneath the ocean, cinematic scientific visualization. A dramatic montage showing explorers from different centuries searching for Atlantis, from ancient navigators to modern submarines and autonomous underwater drones, seamlessly blending history with present-day exploration. A mysterious deep ocean scene fading into darkness where faint ancient ruins seem to emerge beyond the limits of the light, creating suspense for the next chapter. Ultra-realistic, cinematic documentary, BBC Earth, National Geographic, Netflix documentary, 8K, HDR, volumetric lighting, realistic colors, no text, no logo, no watermark. An advanced research vessel sailing across the vast Atlantic Ocean at sunrise, scientists preparing state-of-the-art sonar equipment while calm waves reflect the golden morning light. Ultra-realistic, photorealistic, cinematic documentary, BBC Earth, National Geographic, Netflix documentary, 8K, HDR, volumetric lighting, ultra-detailed, realistic colors, no text, no logo, no watermark. Inside a modern oceanographic control room, researchers analyzing high-resolution bathymetric maps displayed across multiple holographic monitors, focused expressions, realistic scientific atmosphere, cinematic lighting. A sophisticated autonomous underwater vehicle descending into the dark Atlantic abyss, powerful LED lights cutting through the darkness while scanning the ocean floor, ultra-realistic deep-sea exploration. A stunning 3D visualization of the Atlantic seabed revealing enormous underwater mountain ranges, deep trenches, and unexplored geological formations generated from multi-beam sonar data, cinematic scientific realism. A dramatic close-up of mysterious geometric patterns appearing on a digital seabed map, scientists carefully examining every detail while discussing possible geological explanations, photorealistic documentary. A realistic visualization of the famous Google Earth seabed grid pattern fading into view, showing how sonar survey lines create artificial geometric shapes across the ocean floor. Clean scientific presentation, cinematic quality. Researchers comparing satellite imagery, sonar scans, and geological models side by side, demonstrating how modern technology distinguishes natural formations from mapping artifacts. Ultra-detailed laboratory environment. An aerial cinematic shot over the crystal-clear waters of the Bahamas, transitioning toward the mysterious Bimini Road beneath the surface, sunlight penetrating turquoise water with exceptional clarity. Marine archaeologists using underwater cameras and laser scanners to document massive stone formations on the seafloor, carefully recording every measurement with advanced scientific equipment, realistic documentary style. A breathtaking underwater panorama of ancient-looking rock formations covered by coral reefs, tropical fish swimming naturally through the scene, emphasizing the beauty and mystery of the ocean rather than fantasy. a cinematic reconstruction of an ancient coastal city gradually being submerged as sea levels rise over thousands of years, illustrating how real civilizations can disappear beneath the ocean through natural processes. Ultra-realistic. An animated cross-section of Earth's tectonic plates shifting beneath the Atlantic Ocean, explaining geological forces responsible for earthquakes, volcanic activity, and changing coastlines. Scientifically accurate, cinematic visualization. Oceanographers aboard the research vessel launching remotely operated vehicles into unexplored depths during a violent storm. Dramatic clouds, crashing waves, realistic expedition atmosphere. A close-up of a robotic arm collecting sediment cores from the deep ocean floor, while strange deep-sea creatures drift through the darkness beyond the lights. Cinematic documentary realism. Scientists in a laboratory analyzing ancient sediment samples, microscopic organisms, and mineral deposits under advanced instruments, searching for evidence of Earth's distant geological history. Ultra-realistic. A breathtaking panoramic view of the deep Atlantic Canyon disappearing into complete darkness, illuminated only by the lights of a research submersible exploring an untouched section of the ocean floor. A symbolic cinematic scene showing Plato's ancient scroll slowly dissolving into a modern digital ocean map, visually connecting ancient legends with contemporary scientific exploration. Photorealistic masterpiece. A mysterious final shot of the endless Atlantic abyss where the research submersible's lights reveal only a small portion of the vast unexplored seafloor before fading into darkness, creating anticipation for the documentary's conclusion. Ultra-realistic, cinematic documentary, BBC Earth, National Geographic, Netflix documentary, 8K, HDR, volumetric lighting, realistic colors. No text, no logo, no watermark. A breathtaking aerial view of the Atlantic Ocean at sunset, endless golden light reflecting across calm waves while the horizon fades into brilliant orange and deep blue tones. Ultra-realistic, photorealistic, cinematic documentary, BBC Earth, National Geographic, Netflix documentary, 8K, HDR, volumetric lighting, ultra-detailed, realistic colors, no text, no logo, no watermark. A deep-sea research submarine slowly ascending from the darkness toward the faint rays of sunlight above, tiny bubbles surrounding the vessel as the crushing abyss gradually gives way to lighter water. Cinematic realism. Scientists aboard a modern research vessel celebrating the successful recovery of valuable ocean floor samples while reviewing data collected during the expedition. Authentic documentary atmosphere. Photorealistic. An advanced laboratory where marine geologists analyze sediment cores, fossil fragments, microscopic organisms, and mineral samples collected from the Atlantic Ocean. Highly detailed scientific environment with cinematic lighting. Researchers studying enormous digital displays showing detailed 3D maps of the Atlantic seabed, comparing newly discovered underwater structures with historical geological records. Ultra-realistic. A cinematic montage of famous underwater archaeological sites around the world, including submerged cities, ancient ports, temples beneath crystal-clear water, and forgotten coastal civilizations reclaimed by the sea, visually connecting real discoveries with humanity's search for Atlantis. A majestic underwater panorama where colorful marine life peacefully swims above ancient stone ruins covered by coral reefs, emphasizing how nature slowly transforms everything over time. Ultra-realistic documentary photography. A dramatic reconstruction of Plato standing alone overlooking the Mediterranean Sea at sunset, holding ancient scrolls while imagining the legendary island of Atlantis beyond the horizon. Warm golden lighting, cinematic composition. An inspiring sequence showing explorers from different centuries, ancient navigators, early divers, modern scientists, and autonomous underwater robots, all united by humanity's endless desire to discover the unknown. Photorealistic. A breathtaking flyover across Earth's oceans from space, revealing the immense blue planet covered by vast unexplored waters. Realistic satellite perspective, cinematic documentary quality. A powerful visualization of unexplored regions of the ocean floor gradually illuminating on a digital globe, while most areas remain hidden in darkness, emphasizing how little humanity truly knows about the deep ocean. A lone deep-sea submersible resting silently on the ocean floor beside towering underwater cliffs disappearing into darkness, creating a powerful sense of scale and isolation, ultra-realistic. An emotional close-up of a scientist looking through a research vessel window toward the endless Atlantic Ocean, reflecting humanity's curiosity and determination to continue exploring. Cinematic lighting. A peaceful sunrise over the Atlantic Ocean symbolizing hope, discovery, and future expeditions. Gentle waves illuminated by the first golden rays of daylight. Photorealistic masterpiece. A cinematic aerial journey moving away from the ocean toward the curvature of Earth seen from near space, revealing the incredible beauty of our planet and the mysteries that still remain hidden beneath its surface. A final symbolic image showing an ancient compass resting beside Plato's scroll and a modern digital ocean map on a wooden table, connecting ancient legends with modern scientific exploration through time, ultra-detailed. A breathtaking wide-angle shot of the endless Atlantic stretching beyond the horizon beneath a star-filled night sky, conveying wonder, mystery, and the timeless search for knowledge, cinematic documentary style. An epic closing scene of the Earth slowly rotating in space with the Atlantic Ocean illuminated beneath drifting clouds, ending with a sense of awe, exploration, and endless possibility. Ultra-realistic, photorealistic, BBC Earth, National Geographic, Netflix documentary, 8K, HDR, volumetric lighting, realistic colors, no text, no logo, no watermark.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to BeyondNexa for more. Discover more, know beyond.